started the movement. So we start from the individuals, we start all the way with the crowd, with all of us, and our goal is to build our way up towards the politics, and the road we are going to take is going to lead through the mainstream. Good, so that would be it in terms of the short summary. Now let's have a look on the previously disclosed information in regards to the solar energy and how it distributes over the Earth. So once again, what we are looking at on the left-hand side, there would be the territory which is lacking the water, and the territory which is saturated with water is the green one on the right-hand side. If we take out all the components that are identical, so like the reflectance or the heat flux, what remains is a big difference in terms of the sensible heat and the transpiration and evapotranspiration. And the healthy environment saturated with water spends around 80% of the high dosage of the solar radiation on the evapotranspiration. So this is where the high amount of energy is consumed on the physical principle of changing the state from the liquidous water to gaseous. And only about 5 to 10% remains for the sensible heat. It's just the opposite where you have a dry land where only a little bit of the water that is left on the territory is used for the transpiration and the evapotranspiration, and the rest turns into heat. Now what happens afterwards is that, again, on the healthy territory, once the water will get evaporated into vapor, it's being taken up from the troposphere to the higher level of the atmosphere, where it reaches lower temperatures. And once it reaches the right temperature, a dew point is reached, the water condensates back, and where it releases the latent heat it had previously consumed, and the energy is radiated to the outer cosmos. This is the very thermoregulation mechanism the Earth has been working with for ages, and we managed to break it down. Just precisely through the means of lack of water on the territory, which is the situation on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, we are looking at the territory which is overheating, and what happens is that the heat, the sensible heat, remains within the lower levels of the atmosphere. And this is precisely what is causing the kind of awkward weather and the weather disturbances that many of you have been already familiar with.